March 1st, 2022, a quiet neighborhood in Ohio. Most residents were enjoying a peaceful afternoon, but inside one particular home, a nightmare was unfolding. An elderly woman, fragile and terrified, was watching her life's memories being smashed to pieces. The culprit? Not a masked intruder, but someone she had raised since infancy.
I'm sorry?
How long ago did you let her come in?
Today is what I guess he's asking you.
Oh, today. Did you let her in here today, a couple days ago? What?
3 days ago.
Okay, so you let her come back 3 days ago. Did you guys used to be roommates?
Yes.
Meet Jennifer. She's not your average Karen. She's volatile, delusional, and completely indifferent to the protection order already filed against her. When the police arrived, they found a house in ruins, but instead of an explanation, Jennifer gave them the silent treatment, mixed with pure arrogance.
No, just hold on a second. Okay, no, you're... Nope. You're not going anywhere. Okay, relax.
We need a female out here.
Here it goes.
Listen.
The officers tried to be patient. They knew the victim, an elderly lady, was shaken to her core. But Jennifer, she was looking for an exit.
I did nothing. I didn't do nothing. Ow!
Stop resisting.
I was going to get the rest of me.
Pinned to the grass, she resorted to the classic victim playbook. Despite kicking the officer twice during the struggle, she looked him in the eye and claimed she never touched him. Delusion or just a bad habit of lying?
I have reason to believe that you're wanting to leave.
I was going to walk around the other
I'm gonna get my casebook. You good?
I didn't swing. I didn't do nothing.
Well, when I took you down, you started kicking and you kicked me twice.
I couldn't.
You did.
You have that court order.
Using it as a pad right now. You want to get her.
While Jennifer was screaming on the pavement, officers went inside to document the carnage. It wasn't just stuff, it was history. A family photo, owned by the mother who had cared for Jennifer for 30 years, lay shattered on the floor.
You got to stay calm when I attempt to put you in this car.
How long am I going to sit in there?
You just sit in there until you go to jail. Lean back against me and stand up.
I'm trying
Push back against me and stand up. Push back against me and stand up.
You don't have to. No, it's not.
What's in your bra?
What chapstick?
Okay. Do you have anything else on you?
30 years of love, 30 years of care, repaid with a temper tantrum that ended in a jail cell. As she was loaded into the cruiser, the anger turned into fake tears, the final act of a woman who realized her reign of terror was finally over.
Okay, if I can have you step out of here, I'm gonna get pictures of it. When did this happen?
Today.
Huh?
You go to Common?
Do you know from how long prior to the time we got here?
She called me probably about 30 minutes before I called you guys.
You got to talk to me.
I'm not. I don't have any.
I mean, here's the thing. There's absolute zero need to lie to us at this point.
I'm not.
Say the value of the picture was?
I'd say $5 or $10. I don't.
Who does the picture belong to? Huh?
It's my mom.
Okay. What's the relationship between mom and her?
My mom raised her since she was about 18 months.
Is she a roommate?
Yeah, years.
Did you see what happened?
No.
Did you see what happened?
No, I was sitting here.
In the end, Jennifer found out that a protection order isn't just a piece of paper, it's a promise of justice. Case closed.
She was charged with resisting arrest and battery on a peace officer.